Come on everybody, this is Stacy. Today I will answer some frequently asked questions in the private messages we receive daily. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. Price depends on the weight. Sales staff will give the quotation to you if your signs are customized. If you order directly in the bio link, the price has included shipping costs. Then there are two steps. The first is to send some examples or the logo design by yourself to us or tell us which kind of product, such as light bags, LED sign, new sign, you need to get some recommendation from our sales staff. Then providing your contact information, just like WhatsApp phone number, email address, WeChat number, we will arrange a sales staff to contact you. If you don't need the customized signs, check the link in our bio, then you can order directly. So guys, what I want to say last is, thank you all your continued support to lcsign. It is precisely because of the comments and suggestions that we can continue to improve and do better, providing better service and products. In the future, we will try our best to do better. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. So guys, see you next time.